Guess the animal. It's definitely monkey exam number 2. Who is pregnant? Take a closer look. I will reveal the answer at the end of the video. Now double tap just so I know you got it right. Exam number 3. Find 55 in this sea of SSA. Now comment, I love God, or reject the offer and scroll down. And can't continue, but only if you want to? Now for the final exam, which number do you see in this image? And the second question. Answer is definitely the woman on the left is pregnant because of the classic pregnancy craving, a pickle. Follow me for more interesting quizzes like this.